Hey guys, welcome to my channel Motivation Coach. Today we will be talking about snoring. What most people think is that snoring is a minor issue and eventually adapt to this belief and lead a very unhealthy lifestyle. It may be surprising to you, but snoring can have very serious effects on the quality of your life, your health and your relationship. After watching this video, you would know 5 snoring treatment tips that would help you stop your snoring tonight. So let's get started.
Avoid alcohol and drugs right before sleep. Alcohol or sedatives taken shortly before sleep promote snoring. Snoring occurs when the muscles at the back of your throat relax and obstruct the airway. These muscles are overly relaxed on consumption of alcohol and drugs. These drugs cause greater relaxation of the tissues in your throat and mouth, thereby obstructing the airway. Weight loss can reduce excessive fat from the throat muscles and helps reduce snoring. Start a regular exercise regime from today and set weight loss goals for yourself. Sleeping position. One must sleep on the left or right sides rather than on your back. Sleeping on the sides is beneficial for snoring and also maintains good blood flow in the body while asleep. Anti-snoring contour bed pillows. These pillows will help you sleep on your sides comfortably. These modified pillows are also helpful in providing neck support, spine alignment and a comfortable sleep. These pillows are easily available online. Snoring exercises. Study has shown snoring exercises can help reduce snoring frequency by up to 40%. Performing exercises help strengthen your weak throat muscles, tongue and jaw muscles. I have already created a video and posted it on YouTube dedicated to top 5 exercises that will help you cure your snoring and sleep apnea, and the link is in the video description. Do make sure to check it out. If you found this video helpful, do share it with your near and dear ones. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such health and fitness tips. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day ahead.